Hi everybody, and welcome to one of our latest videos for our Eclipse label finishing machines. So you've seen possibly before a couple of videos that I've done regarding our laser finishing machine, and today I just wanted to show you a full run through of the latest Eclipse LF220 LAS label finishing machine. It's a laser finishing machine, so it's quite fast, up to 30 linear meters per minute. That's pretty fast for a laser. Obviously depends on the size of the image and also the type of material. Today we're going to be running on PP material, and the size of our graphic is going to be around about 110 millimeters. We're going to do two circles side by side. So without further ado, let's crack on and get this machine working, show you. So one thing as well about the laser is very simple, that it comes as standard with a 150 watt laser with a 20,000 hours usage. Generally, if you know about lasers, you'll know that they'll need regassing at some point. So the guarantee on the machine is to give you at least 20,000 hours prior to having any regassing of the laser system. However, one of the big options we have with the LF220 LAS is that you can upgrade this to a higher specification laser, which will give you a 7-year regassing effective warranty. It's also more powerful, so it's a 200 watt laser, which is really handy and an industry first as well. Before we start running, give you a quick overview of what we've got. So first things first, we can do one of two things. We can take a 450 OD roll size maximum. Okay, a lot of smaller users generally tend to use 300mm ODs, but for large users we can go up to 450. On the side of the machine, we can actually feed directly in from a high-speed printer as well, so we don't have to go roll to roll. We can actually go print to roll, finish, complete. So on the right hand side of the machine, or my right hand side, your left, we're coming unwinding. We can add a lamination on the top. We are straightening the material as it comes in nicely. We're laser cutting with a reg mark. We also have a QR code system built in, which can be added as a customer's option. This will then do what we call an auto job changeover mid print. So therefore it's very simple, easy and quick. Coming through here, we're rewinding all of our waste matrix, and we can rewind onto a single core or twin core as we've got this set up today. At the same time, we've got 3 slitting tools that allow us to slit into up to 3 different options and get rid of waste. So that's a brief quick overview. Down here, all of our waste. Remember, the machine, because it's a laser, it can kiss cut, it can perforate, it can cut through and more. Any waste will come down out of the way. The chilling noise in the background, chilling all the laser systems. And on my right hand side here, we have a freestanding filtration extractor for all the waste of the fumes from the laser. So that's a quick overview. We'll get into running the machine. As we can see, there's a small light on the actual roll now, and now we've placed it in placement, and that is actually the center point of the depth of the roll. So we've now threaded it through the first section, and we'll get the next section here. Okay, so we've pulled that through the loop, and now what we're going to do is just come around the rollers. So we're going down first, up over the drive and back, and then we're going to go straight forward. As you can see there, we're taking some off. Okay, and now we're going into our tensioning area, as you can see, nicely coming off there. Okay, so now we're going to go around the media guide. Okay, and actually into the chamber. Now we can see the threading starting to build up the laser. Okay, so now coming in over the laser section, where, as you can see inside, we've got some series of rollers that lift the media to the right height, but at the same time as we're coming out here as well, and that keeps us to the correct height when we're getting now ready to get in place. We're locking that down. Okay, so we're now separating the media. Okay, so that's our waste. Rewind, set in place, and we just undo those slitters. So they're the slitters that come on the machine so you can separate the media. We're coming out of there now. In this case, we're actually going to slit up and down. Okay, so we're going to joggle this media through a little bit to get to the right placement. We're just taping the first one on there. What we're now doing is putting the slitter in place. Okay, so let's jog that forward a little bit, then we can separate everything, and then we're good to cut and finish. So thanks for watching this short video, and if you have any other further questions, just drop us a quick email or give us a call, and we'll do our best to try and answer any of those questions you have.